Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to redeem a Fandango gift card online. Now if you want to redeem a Fandango gift card online but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Fandango app. So if you have not installed the Fandango app, you must simply install it App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you just need to open the Fandango app on your device and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, then you won't be able to redeem the gift card. So from here you will see the option of in theaters today and all of it. So click on the option of movies, and here you will see the option of in theaters and all of it. So you just need to select the movie or pick the movie in which you want to redeem your gift card. So select the movie, theater, and date and time for your movie, and you just need to choose the seat if that is needed on the Fandango app. And from here you just need to go on the checkout page, and there you will see the option of use Fandango gift card. So click on it, and from there you just need to enter the gift card, which is usually a 16-digit code. So you just need to enter it, and after applying the code you just need to click on the option of pin, and you just need to enter the pin, or you just need to enter the pin, which is usually a 4-digit code. So after doing all of it, click on the option of apply, and if the ticket costs more than a gift card, then pay the remaining balance with another payment method. And by doing all of it, you will be able to apply the gift card on the Fandango app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.